Hey guys, Jim here, Redo Banshee Parts, back again. We're going to show you a couple things here real quick. In today's video, I'm just going to show you real quick on how to tell when you have an advanced timing plate or a timing plate that's adjustable, how to tell where to line up your timing marks. So come take a look real quick here. If you look right in here on a timing plate, you're going to see a lot of hash marks, and they're going to have numbers on them. I don't know if you can see that or not in the video, but you got a 0, a -10, -5. You got your 0 right there. Then you got your +5 and your +10. The way you line these up, as you can see, is you use the case half right here. That little notch in the case half right there. That's where your 0-degree mark is. So if you line the 0-degree mark on your wheel up with that line right there, that's going to be 0 degrees of timing. You can see that this timing on this motor is set at around 5 degrees of timing. All right, that's how you're going to tell where your timing's at when you have an adjustable timing plate. If you have a stock timing plate, you're not going to be able to tell because it doesn't have the hash marks, but with an adjustable, that's how you do it. All right, till next time, thanks guys.